Hi YouTube! It's pearlynrae here, back with another video. I just realized I haven't done an unboxing or a taste test or a try this thing in, I think, literal years. I normally do these things on live stream and whatnot, so I'm winging this, and I hope I can edit it well, or remember how to edit this stuff properly. Anyway, if you have seen the thumbnail, of course you have, and the title, you will know exactly what I'm unboxing, but context is needed. I normally don't partake in trends and the latest thing and everything, but or FOMO, but I saw this on Shein, and I was mulling it over, and I was looking at the images, and I thought to myself, I would use that color palette. And it's Hello Kitty, so I had to. I'm sorry, I had to. This is 100% hashtag not sponsored. This is adorable. This actually came folded up, right? Folded up in the package, in the box, and then it was like this, and then okay. So I'm going to put this to the side, down, and you can see straight away. You can see the puff. Oh, there we go. You can see the puff straight away. Okay. Also, don't mind me. Naked face. Absolute naked face, because I admire people who wear makeup every day, but if I can help it, I naked face it as much as possible. Let the skin breathe, and I'm vamping while we open the box because it's airtight. Okay, so alright. Box open. I have my keyboard. I have no room to do this. Hopefully in the future, not hopefully, in the future, we will have a studio and a recording space that allows us to record this stuff with ample space. Alright, so when you open the box, it looks like this. Oh, and I'm constantly looking at my monitor to double check whether or not the reflection is all right for you and it's in focus. So here we go. Okay, and then we lift this up, and I'm just going to aha, it's so cute. Don't mind my nails. It's so cute. Look at that. Right, we are going to go through each item. Okay, first off, the gifts. Apparently we got gifts, or a little free gift. So we got this. Okay, so we got this. Okay. There you go. We got this. We got this clip. Can I speak? Can I articulate? We got this clip. Hello Kitty clip. I have to make it focus. It literally says here, Hello Kitty SHEGLAM. I will take photos of this for my Instagram. So if you want to have a proper look, you can look over there. Oh. Can I put this? Oh my gosh, can I put this back properly in the way that it was? There we go. Okay, so let me think what I should. Okay, the next bit, I was so scared. I'm going to remove this thing at the bottom right here, and I'll show you what it is. The first time I got scared opening it, because yes, I have already opened this, because of course I have. Okay, so this, you'd be like, what is this? What is it, just a keychain? Oh no, it's not just a keychain, okay? And okay, it's not just a keychain. It's this rubber thing that comes off, okay? The keychain rubber thing comes off. No, it's not that type of ring. Get your minds out of the gutter. It is lip balm. 3D Kiss lip balm. Smells like strawberries. No, it smells like berry. Artificial berry. And if you can't see, it's a clear balm with red in it. There you go. You can see the 3D of it. Look at that. Look. Alright. Okay. And it's not just the label at the back. It's literally a thing. Oh. I should try these on, but I don't want to open every single one. Leave a comment if you want me to actually like try all of them, cuz I will or like I'll hold up. Never mind. Okay. It goes on clear. No, wait. I already have lip balm on. Give me a moment. I need tissue. Let me see. I'll just do this. You know how there are lip balms that are quite draggy? Like they're not slippy. This is the not slippy kind. That's really, but it smells nice. Well, chemically nice. It's no Vaseline. I am someone who hashtag not sponsored, adores a good Vaseline lip. All right, I'm gonna put this back. Yeah. Not slippy. That's literally all I have to say. Like, not slippy at all. I have no idea how I'm going to approach this. Okay, hold up. This apparently hydrating primer. Okay, hold up. Before I I'm all over the place. Listen. All right. Hold up. So you can see this. You see that? Those are little hearts. No. Yeah, they're little hearts. Little hearts and little bows. Can you see that? Little hearts and little bows. And it's Hello Kitty and SHEGLAM. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to force one of the bows or hearts to come out, but let's just feel this. Leave a comment below what kind of primer consistency you like, because I'm very Pat McGrath Labs primer, and like this the Skin Fetish one, and then also the Benefit Professional, like those ones that really make everything silky and satiny. Those are my go-tos. I haven't tried those grippy primers. There's grippy primers right now, as of the time of this recording. I don't know how I feel about those. No smell. Wow, hang on. Absolutely no smell to this primer. Like, at all. It's like I haven't put anything. Oh my god, you can't even see it. It's like I haven't even. Oh, there you go. The light. My fairy light's coming through with the sheen. See? Coming through with the sheen. And featuring my vein. You know how a lot of products have scent? Like, I'm fascinated now. Even scentless products usually have like some semblance of scent. Okay, let me wipe this. It's not with a clean finger, I'm wiping it. I'd say this primer is actually in between. If I had to say like silky, smooth, satiny, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. If silky, smooth, and satiny was here, and grippy, tuggy, holding the pigmentation was here for primers, I'd say it was here. This primer. Because there's, I don't know if you can tell because, but hang on. Yeah, no, I need a better setup. I need better cameras. I'm sorry. It tugs at my skin. So, full disclosure, I am 35 years old as of the time of this recording, and what I will say is that my skin isn't as tight as it used to be. So, anything that's too pulling or grippy, I tend to avoid, because even if you aren't being rough with your skin and your makeup application, any excess pulling or tugging is just going to, what's the word, pile on the or increase your susceptibility to fine lines. Or not susceptibility, what's the word? You're going to accumulate the actions that go towards the creation of fine lines and sagging skin if you're not drowning in collagen supplements, and avoiding the sun, and not drinking, and not smoking, and not taking illicit drugs, and not having dairy or processed sugar or cheese. Even though the last three I totally eat. Okay. Let us try balms or lipstick. Balms or lipstick. Okay. There are these. Taking all three out at the same time. There are, oh my gosh, how can I hold these attractively in my hands? Content creator problems. Here you go. Actually, you know what? I can do it, I swear. There. Haha. Oh my gosh. Look at that hand display. Okay, so there are three. You would think these are lipsticks. Oh, no. No. These are also lip balms. These are also lip balms. And that's also one of the, like, listen, there is that balm with the little carabiner. There's this balm. And then these four are also balms. And then this is also a balm. So you've literally got 8 balms. Lip balms. But mind you, these are lip balms. And these four are apparently multi-purpose balms, which you can use on your lips, obviously, your cheeks, and your cheeks and on your eyelids. So, all right, so let me, I don't know which one to try first. Oh, okay. Ooh, I didn't notice this when I first opened this. Look. Oh, hold up. Let me put these down. You can actually take off these bows if you don't want them. But they're so pretty. Okay. Take this off. Okay, we're trying this one up first. This one is Just a Crush. of anything? No. Okay, so my lips, if you want to know the baseline of my lips, is very close to, or I'd say my lips but better shade in Pat McGrath Labs is, oh my gosh, I've forgotten it right when I need to say the words. I'm going to Google this. Hold up. Editing me, speed this up. Okay, we're back. Nude Romantic 2 is the one I go for. Nude Romantic 2 is the shade My Lips But Better for me. Which one was I trying? This one. Okay, so let's... Hold up. I need a mirror. Am I prepared for this? No. Did I want to record because I wanted to, like, show something cute that I purchased with you? Yes. Oh my gosh. Boxes falling everywhere. Okay. Mirror. In the dark because my room's a mess and... My room's a mess. Okay. So... Let me move this. Oh my gosh. I have 2 massive water bottles here, so. Alright. Alright, let's try this. Oh, that's so slippy. It smells very chemical waxy. Oh, that's nice on camera. That's quite subtle in real life, but on camera, like, you just saw that. And okay, look at. Ooh, hello. Okay, come through, just a crush. Look at that. Hello. And it's nice and slippy. And I'm going to do the hair test. Hang on. Okay. You know how some lip glosses, when... Why are there hooligans outside? Hello? Okay. You know how some lip glosses, when the wind blows and you get your hair stuck on your lips, you know how sometimes... what'll tend to happen is when you try to remove your hair, it like it gets dragged by the product. That didn't happen with this. It slipped off quite nicely. That was great. Let me actually get a wet wipe instead of just the dry tissue, because otherwise my lips will scream at me after trying 8 balms? Good grief. Try 8 balms. Oh, yeah, we'll try the clear one. There's a clear one, the white Hello Kitty little one. Okay, now. Oh, look at that pigment. For a balm. I'm not saying this is like a full coverage lipstick. I'm doing half my lip right now. Can you see the difference? No? Because my lips are red? I think so. Okay, hang on. Okay. Oh-ho! That was good. I enjoyed having that on my lips. Except for the smell. Why? I wonder what's in it to make it smell that way. What does it smell like? It smells like... plastic. I remember this smell. It's like, playground equipment? Wait. Let me smell another one. That's gonna bug me. Like, what do you mean it smells like my childhood? Okay. The next one The next one is another red one. It's called, now if I could just, oh, hang on. There. It's called Love Letter. I think this is another, my lips are dry now from the wipe. Okay, this is another dark one. So, packaging. That is red. That is red. Are we ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. What was it? Love Letter. Right. Okay. Ready? Okay. I'll do one side. Oh, wow. Well done. Can you see the mistake I just made? No, because I have a Logitech C920 and it is so old, but still gets the job done for live stream, so I'm not complaining. This is very red. Even in real life, in the darkness. What do you think? This, I would wear, hold up, because it's a balm. That's very red. It literally says on the packaging that, oh no, wait. It says, Be My Baby Hydrating Lipstick. So these are lipsticks. My bad. 3 lipsticks, 4 balms. Ooh, that's red. And I'm very much a cool toned red lipstick person. Anything too orange and I'm like, I can't. More power to everyone who can pull off a good orange toned lipstick. More power to you. Okay, okay. Last but not least, we have Smitten Kitten. Again, another lipstick. Hold up. Oh, my hair is being fussy. All right. These. Oh my god. Please. There you go. Haha. Ooh, interesting color. I legitimately wonder how this is going to appear on the lips. Okay. Ready? Look at that. Hold up. Can you? I'm trying to show it without a glare on the stick. There is sparkle. There is sparkle to the body of the bullet. So let me put that back down. Let's try it. Okay, ready? Oh, wow. Can you? Oh, wow, okay. Same smell. Can you see that? It has like the sparkles. This is very Y2K. Oh my gosh. Can you see the sparkles? Children, can you see the sparkles? See the sparkles. I'm constantly looking at the monitor to see how everything looks on camera, not just how it is in real life. Because listen, there is, I don't know if y'all know this, there's a discrepancy between what things look like in real life and what things look like on camera. Listen, when I tell you, sometimes people forget that and then they feel bad, okay? Then they feel bad. All right, let me wipe that off. If you can get over the smell, it's not strong. That's the thing. It's just there. What a description. It's not strong, it's just there. I still have sparkles on my lips. I still have sparkles. Huh. I literally I still have sparkles on my lips. That's so funny. Oh. Some of them remain. Some of them cling to me. Okay. Now we are going to try the balms. These, I'm going to take out all 4. I haven't opened these. So, by open these, I mean I've opened them. But, taking out all 4. Okay, I got them. I've opened the top, but I haven't unsealed them. They're sealed, which is pretty great. All right, let me hold them for the camera, okay? Let me hold them a certain way so you can see all 4. Okay, I'm trying to be accommodating for everyone. Ready? Okay. Oh. Can you see? All right, all 4. All 4. All right, we've got 4 colors. Let's start with clear first because my lips are getting shriveled up and dry. All right, so you open it, you twist it open, and isn't that nice? It comes sealed. Very easy to open. Let's smell. No scent. I just burped. Oh, I smell pizza. Okay. And it says at the back, True Love Dewy Multi-Use Balm. Okay. Let me put, what I'm gonna do for you, let me put some on my lip, my cheek, and my eye for you. Nothing on my finger. That is so silky. Oh my gosh, hold up. That looks so wet. Oh my god. Hold up. Alright. And it's a little grippy on the lip, but that could just be because my lips are super dry at the moment. Can you see the difference? I kind of little, like this is dry. Okay, hold up. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That sheen. All right, let's put some on the eyelid. I'll put it on the outer lid. That's nice. If you want to look super moisturized, hold up, I'll do the whole lid. If you want to look super moisturized, where's the light? Let the light catch it. That's nice. I don't know whether or not this is gonna give me pimples. And this is clear, so if you have other colors underneath, maybe instead of swiping, dab. But that's great. That's whiskers, I think. Yeah. Okay. No. I'm not going to have my skin super dry. My skin is going to scream at me. Okay. Doing this with no makeup. Okay. The next one we are trying is a super cute, bubblegum baby pink paw print. I love when brands really lean in with the good labeling, good naming of the stuff. All right, ready? ASMR opening this. If I can. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Oh, here we go. I'm sorry if that's spiked. I just saw the audio monitor. No smell. These have no smell. All right. Middle finger time. That's so smooth. I know we just tried the clear one and it was so smooth as well, but like, you can tell. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Subtle. Can you see the difference from my right? Subtle. Very, very... Oh, look at that. I just smeared so much on. You can... I'm doing half my lip. You can build up pigment. Alright? Can build up pigment. Okay, ready? I'm gonna swipe. Wow. Can you see that? Hold up. Hey. Look at that. Okay, let's try on the eyelid. I'm not trying to be perfect on my eyelid. That's cute. If you actually apply it properly, it's super cute. Look at the colors go. Look at that. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Playing with color. Okay. That was paw print, the baby pink one. This one wipe. One wipe. Doing the most. Okay. Being very careful with my skin. Because, again, we don't tug too much on the skin. Alright. Pick which one should I? This one, the darker red, is called Cuttlebug, and this one is called Purdy. Let's try Purdy first. We'll save the ruby red for last. Hang on, I'm gonna... If I don't do that to my phone. Okay. Opening. Please. Please. Okay, ready? Again, no smell. I'm a big smell person, okay? That's what it looks like. Okay, this is Purdy. Alright, ready? This is how my lips look normally. Clean fingers. Wow. Look at that. I'm trying to make it so the lights aren't shining too much. Okay, there we go. Then oh, the smell is coming through a little bit. Yeah. This is definitely darker, obviously, than the pink and the clear. Obviously. Alright, ready? It looks like I'm painting war stripes, battle stripes on my face. Look at that. Okay. Sheen? And then if you wanted to do this, that's what it looks like a little bit more actually laid out on the skin. Okay, and then I put way too much on my eyelid, but if you want a red eyelid, hello. Then I guess I better be careful with the darker red. This is Purty. And then, okay, time to wipe this off before we... Interesting. Did I notice the smell with whiskers and paw print? Or not? Probably did. Probably didn't, I just didn't mention anything. Also, I'm only using one cheek because I know I face this way more often, which is the opposite on when I'm live streaming and playing games, usually talking to chat. But I'm facing this way, so I figured, you know, while I look at the monitor, you can see the result. So, last but not least for the lip products, because we still got eyeshadow stacks. As I said, Cuddlebug for the deep red. I'll try not to overdo this one, because, okay, my skin tone is settling back nicely, so you actually have a baseline and it's not red on red on pink on red on pink. Okay. Fine. Alright. Middle finger. Yeah. Maybe the smell is more prominent with the pigmentation? Maybe. Alright, ready? That is super red. Look at that. You saw that. You witnessed. I feel like a little kid playing around with paint. Okay? Alright. Oh, that is... Ignoring the light reflections, but... See? That is... Focus, camera. That is super pigmented. There we go. That's super pigmented. Holy crap. Okay, hold on. Let's buff that out. You know that trend that you know that trend where you apply blush as if you've had like 2 drinks and the application is like around here and some on your nose and like here? Like I could totally see a very delicate application of this. I like all 4. It's good product. See, this is what I mean. I don't purchase products that anymore that I wouldn't wear, or I know I won't hit pan or finish or whatnot, because then in this economy that's just a waste of money, and in any economy that's just a waste of money anyway. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of space. Calm down. Okay, calm down. There we go. Oh, almost forgot I put some on this cheek as well. Okay. Calm down. Okay, now how shall I do this for you? Oh, I guess I have ample eyelid space. Oh, before I do that, you know how at the beginning I showed you the hair clip, the hair clip that this came with? It also comes with 2 powder puffs. No cases. Just however you want to use these little guys, you can. This is Hello Kitty, and this is Hello Kitty's face. And they come with the you know, the finger slip. But yeah, little puff. And in the grand scheme of things, still little, but not so little puff. Little puff. These came with it as well. Now, water break. Now, actually, lip balm. Okay. Now, last but not least, oh, I needed lip balm. Oh my gosh. Last but not least, in this package, we've got 2 eyeshadow stacks, triple stacks. This one is called Sweetheart. This one is called Sweetheart. And this one is called Sugar Cookie. Sweetheart and Sugar Cookie. I think we'll try Sugar Cookie first because it's the lighter one. Open. Okay. So, 1. Oh my god. Please light, please. Please light, please. Alright, hold up. There. 2. And, oh, look at that. 3. That's pretty. Okay. That. And I'll just quickly show Sweetheart. I know why it was reflecting the whole time. Did the thing fall? Oh no, wait, it wasn't reflecting. It like genuinely fell. There's a protective cover. But anyway, 1, 2. I love a good glitter. Listen, come at me with a good glue. Come at me with a good glitter. Okay, ready? Clean fingers. That was just 1, 2, very gently. One, 2. Can you see that? Can you see that? A little bit. There you go. And then, oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. 1, 2. And that's, oh, hello, baby. That is, oh, look at that. That is the Sugar Cookie stack. Now, if I recall correctly how to do this, it is 1. Very light. Very light, but you can see it on camera, which is good. 1, 2. Yeah, that's nice. 2. And the glitter. 3. Oh! Oh, that's... Hello! That's nice. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry! I did it on my right eye. My bad. Hold up. Let me move the monitor to here so I can see. You can barely tell. It is so subtle, but like... That's nice. Can you see that sparkle? That's great. This is clearly I'm gonna take this off now before. Oh no, what have I done? There we go. Okay, take this off now. But this is clearly, you know, if you're looking for super pigmented product like Danessa Myricks or Juvia's Place or Pat McGrath Labs, this isn't it. This is just enough pigment. This is, I would say this is light to medium coverage buildable. I got glitter. I have glitter everywhere now. That was sugar cookie. Okay, let's do my left side. Okay. Hold up. Ready? Clean fingers. 1. It's light. Again. And the reason why, if you can see, the reason why there are lines is because of the embossed? No. What's the opposite of embossed? It's the printed, the Hello Kitty, the raised Hello Kitty on there. Oh, this is gonna be lush. Oh, that's rich. That's rich. And 1, 2. Very light. Oh, that's a nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's go. Lighter color. But it's still darker than sugar cookie. This one. Hold on. My back is starting to hurt bending for the. Oh, that's. You know how I was saying this isn't that pigmented? It's decently pigmented. Like, you don't have to force this, is what I'm saying. Okay. And then my favorite. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'm just gonna spread the glitter all around. Is that good? Hold up. Can you see that? Not with my camera. I'm sorry. That's nice though. It's nice. In person, I will say this is obviously visible in person, right? This is definitely, unless you were layering this on my thoughts on this collection, my thoughts are, this is definitely a collection that will look amazing on you in person. Amazing on you in person, right? Put that down. Amazing in person, and on camera you might need to, for certain products like the lighter colors, depending on your lighting, might take a little bit of extra effort, and by that I mean like a minuscule amount of effort, because it is super duper easily buildable. I will be using these products like you have no idea. Like, they're going in my handbag to use on an everyday basis. And when I hit pan on the eyeshadow and when I finish all the balms and the lipstick, I'm just going to keep them. I'm just going to keep the little components because they are adorable. Yeah. This for me, this wasn't a fast fashion purchase. This was a purchase that I will actually use multiple times. There are garments or pieces of clothing that I've purchased from Shein that I wear so often. It's like so much that they become my staple clothing. I could never imagine only wearing something, like purchasing something and only wearing it once and then throwing it away. I can't reconcile doing that, like, in my head. But listen, no. I was about to say no judgment to people who do that, but a little bit of judgment, because, like, who are you doing that for? Really? Like, come on. Listen, this is my first time purchasing makeup from Shein, because I was very, very cautious, very, very wary. And as I said, I'm normally not susceptible to FOMO or trends and everything. It's not like I get everything Hello Kitty. Like, tell me what you think. I could go on that tangent, honestly. Tell me what you think. Would you get this collection? Or not? Or not? Leave a comment down below, because I'd be interested in your opinion on this. This video is coming from someone who does have sensitive skin. Like, I have to really be careful of clogged pores, because I will get those little micro pimples. I had to be on Accutane for 2 rounds of Accutane, 6 months each round. Yeah, not fun. But you know what is fun? This purchase that I made, because holy, am I actually happy that I purchased something fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Join our Discord server if you so wish. We do have a beauty and aesthetics. Did I call it beauty and aesthetics? Let me look. Beauty and fashion channel, where we discuss all things beauty and fashion in there. There are gaming channels and food channels and arts and crafts channel. Well, not channels. There's an arts and crafts channel, sports, esports, music, TV shows, films and movies, games and gaming. Mentioned food, which is called Omnoms. Beauty and fashion. If you're Filipino, shout out. There is a completely dedicated channel for our pearlescent familia. Tech, Science, and Space has a channel, and Anime and Manga have their own channel as well. And we watch TV shows and movies together on there, and have a good time, wholesome time. I am going to go now. What time is it? Hey, almost dinner. I'm going to go now, and tell my mom that I just tried this for YouTube. This is very, very fun. I'm going to condense this down because holy crap, I just looked at the recording and it's 52 minutes. What do you mean? 53 minutes, because what do you mean I yapped and stalled and vamped for 53 minutes? Okay, listen. It is what it is. I'm happy that I made this purchase. I'm actually happy. Listen, I don't splurge. I don't buy every single shade of a collection or whatever, but when I make a purchase, I try to make it something that I will actually use and utilize and finish, you know? So I'm glad that we tried this out together. Thank you for hanging out with me to do so. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.